guys, welcome back to the C programming tutorial. In today's lecture we will see how to sort the name of students in a class in any ascending and descending order. Suppose we have 10 students and we want to enter arrange that name in alphabetical order, means A, B, C, means A, B, C and all in the same as in our class. It happens only that our roll number is arranged in alphabetical form. So to sort the element that is stored in array of strings, that will be done. So coming to Turbo C++, where we will directly write the code to how to sort a array of strings. So first of all, declare some variable and character string and names of name of size 5 and another of size 10 and another variable temp of size 10 to temporarily hold the value, and an integer I, j and n. Clear the screen and ask the user to enter the number of students. Scanf %d, address n. Now it's fine. Next thing that we will do, we will take name of the student, printf enter the name of student %d, I plus 1, and one thing that we have to use f plus stdin to flush the input, and now get as name I. So we have taken input from the user, and next thing we have to do is to sort these names. So for sorting, for I is equal to 0 and I smaller than n and I plus plus, and we need to add another loop for j is equal to 0 and j smaller than n minus I minus 1 and j plus plus. And here compare if strcmp name of j comma name of j plus 1, we compare two names here, is equal to 0, sorry, larger than 0. If this is true, then just do some copy operation. We put the value temp name of j position, means first name to the temp, and the second copy name j, and in this we just doing swapping operation j plus 1, and third copy name j plus 1 comma temp. Now it's looking fine, and close all the loops, and at last printf name of the student are in sorted. percent n for I is equal to 0, I smaller than n and I plus plus. Just printf put as name I. Now it's fine. Get ch. Just check for any error. Yeah, we have an error str here, spelling mistake. Now run the code. Enter the number of students, suppose 3. Name suppose Sarthak, and next name is Gorans, and suppose third name is Aditya. And here name of the student are in sorted, that is Aditya, Gorans and Sarthak, and sorted name is A comes first then G, and G comes first then S. So name has been sorted. So guys, this is a simple lecture to explain how can we sort, and this is the main logic behind sorting. We just compare the first byte of the two string, and if the string is larger, then just swap the string. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.